Now, let's look at insurance and shipping. The concept of insurance when moving goods around the world is often overlooked. There are various reasons as to why this is. Many companies believe that there isn't much risk in shipping goods, or that carriers will completely cover the loss. They may also believe the risk is covered under their company's general liability or property insurance policy, or even that their goods are not worth being insured. Let's address the first thought of loss being covered by the carrier. Not only do carriers limit their liability, even worse, they can be totally immune from liability. For example, carriers do not cover losses or damages that result from acts of God, an event that is outside of human control. Earthquakes, tornadoes, and other natural disasters would fall into this category. In addition, shipping goods around the world is very perilous business. Loss and or damage can happen at any part of the journey. Think about the number of carriers and hands that touch one shipment from start to finish. The more points of contact there are and the more times someone touches that cargo, the likelihood of something going wrong goes up. To put this into perspective, an analysis of 230,000 marine insurance claims was completed. The value of these claims resulted in losses of $10 billion. In 2019, there were approximately 2 cargo ship accidents per day. Additionally, some companies believe that their goods in transit are covered under provisions in either their corporate general liability or property policies. Most of the time, this is not the case. The majority of general liability and property policies have specific exclusions regarding coverage for goods in transit. Insurance is a risk transferring technique. If a company suffers a loss, they may not be able to continue their day to day operations with their funds being all tied up in one particular shipment. This causes companies to question, how will we be impacted and recover from loss or damage when things go wrong? This is one of the many reasons companies choose to purchase cargo insurance. They will receive payout for the loss or damage of goods without providing who was at fault. And many times they will receive full payout of the loss or damage subject to the terms and conditions of the cargo insurance policy. Another benefit of insurance is that many of the causes of loss that are not covered by freight carriers are automatically included in cargo insurance policies. At the end of the day, it's important for you to understand how your investment is protected.